So yeah, just playing around with the i2c stuff. So what I've discovered is that I can write a small program in the bus pirate stuff. So I can write a small basic program. So I've just written a small one that just really kind of sends the start i2c message, sends the bytes of the i2c message, the address, the register that it's changing, and the byte that it's going to set it to. And I tried to get this to run, just having to run it once. It just never seems to kind of stick. You have to run it a few times before it will come in. I don't know why that is. I think it's because there might be other things still on the bus. Maybe the bus is still open. I'm not sure. But yeah, something is basically meaning my messages don't always go through. So what I did was I've just put this in a loop, so it really just tries to brute force the RGB enable into the VDP. It just does it 20 times. So yeah, as you can see, we're in this kind of yucky composite mode. If we just do this run, it'll just go straight into RGB, and it does that every time. So you can see it's kind of just sent the packets multiple times, and yeah, it seems to go in every time. So I mean, it's not ideal. I'd really like to know why I have to send it multiple times. I'd like to just be able to send it once, but there you go, it does kind of work. So if we just put it back to our composite again, just to show you, this is the yucky composite once more, and if we run it, it just goes straight into RGB. Yeah. So yeah, next sort of plan is to try and replicate this sort of thing in an Arduino, and just make a button, and then I'll just replace the bus pirate with the Arduino, and just get it so that it's sending the i2c messages across, and probably just do the brute force mechanism, same sort of thing. Yeah, because it does seem to work every time, you know. Again, just test it once more. So yeah, back out to non-RGB, just crappy composite, and if we run this, let's just run it like that, you can see that it jumps straight into RGB. Seems to do it every time. Cool. All right. Thanks. See you soon.